Wow, look at that pizza. That looks incredible. I wish I knew how to make it. Oh, lucky you. You're at the video of how to make breakfast pizza with pancetta and an egg on top. Probably has a snappier name in the title than that, but that's what's in this pizza and it's delicious. First, stretch your dough. Start at the middle of the dough. Use your fingertips to kind of dimple it out, press it out a little bit. It's going to start to expand. Then use the edges of your fingers to form your crust, rotating the dough. Finally, pick it up and use your knuckles to stretch the dough to your final desired size. This is about a 12-inch pizza by the time I'm done stretching it. Put it on your peel with a light dusting of flour. Then you're going to spread ricotta on the dough. This is going to be kind of like your sauce. This is a white pizza, so don't go crazy with the ricotta, but you're going to just want to cover your dough, leaving a little bit of crust. Come over that with your mozzarella cheese. Again, you don't have to go crazy here. You already have the ricotta on there, so it's going to be plenty cheesy. Next, I put on cured pancetta. This is not raw bacon. Do not put raw bacon on your pizza. It will not cook. Pancetta is cured, so it's already ready to eat right out of the packaging. Next, come over the pizza with some Parmesan cheese, and then you're going to crack an egg. This is going to cook in the oven, so it's just a raw egg right on top. Finally, a sprinkle of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and you're ready to put it in the oven. Now, while it's in the oven, the flame that's on the top of the oven that runs under the roof of the uni is going to cook your pizza to kind of be like an upside down, over easy egg or sunny side up egg. So you can see as I'm taking it out at first, that egg's very liquidy and jiggly. And then as I go in and rotate the pizza and it's cooking more and more, it's starting to firm up. When the pizza's done, the egg is still going to be very runny. It's basically an over easy or a sunny side up egg that's upside down. So you see when I cut the pizza here, that yolk immediately breaks open, which is what I like about the pizza. Because then you can take a slice, dip it in the yolk, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for similar content.